To unblock your eToro account, follow this step-by-step guide. First, understand why your account may be blocked. eToro may block accounts due to security concerns, incomplete verification, or suspicious activity. To resolve the issue, start by logging in to your eToro account and checking for any notifications or messages indicating why your account is blocked. If you cannot log in, try resetting your password. Next, ensure your account is fully verified. Go to the verification section and complete any pending requirements, such as uploading identification documents or proof of address. If your account is blocked due to suspicious activity, contact eToro customer support directly. They will guide you through the process of verifying your identity and resolving the issue. Additionally, check your email for any messages from eToro regarding your account status. They may have sent you instructions on how to unblock your account. It is essential to note that eToro has a strict security policy, and blocking accounts is a measure to protect users. By following these steps and cooperating with eToro, you should be able to unblock your account and resume trading. To avoid having your account blocked in the future, make sure to keep your account information up to date, use strong passwords, and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these best practices and the steps outlined in this guide, you can quickly and easily unblock your eToro account and get back to trading. Remember to always prioritize security and follow eToro's guidelines to avoid any issues with your account.